Hi guys, welcome back to the Puro Fail Show. For today's show, we have prepared 4 different segments full of the funniest scares as we do every week. And we are going to start with a favourite among many of you, the air horn pranks. Let's check them out.
And you know, another thing that really pissed me off.
Jesus!
And cheese. You know how they give us chicken up there when they... That's so stupid.
Christ, Johnny! What's wrong with you? Gave me a heart attack. No! What the?
Why? No threes. Mother. What are you doing? Come on.
Have you got one, Kate?
With air horns, you either love them or hate them. There's no middle point with them. And I personally love them. If you guys want to get an air horn like those, we are going to leave some Amazon links in the description down below. Now for our next segment, we have the Scare Cams at Work collection. Let's check them out.
Hey Joe, what are you doing?
Oh my God!
Golly! I totally got you.
That was a good.
Jeez Louise.
cams at work are just a classic. Hope you guys are enjoying today's show. For the next one, we have a really funny one. The roommate scare cams. Let's check them out.
Yo! Welcome home, God. How's work? God. Enough.
Boy, have you lost your mind?
Baby.
What are you doing? Oh, God!
The one hidden in the kitchen was so good. Well guys, if you like the video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you are not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Now for our last segment, we have our classic, the favourite ones. Let's check them out.
What's going on?
Yeah!
Steve has ever seen.
Stacy!
Say you
God, I'm like, where the f were you? What are you doing? Brush your goddamn teeth. Oh, God!
It's right there. It's gonna
Well guys, that was all for today's show. If you liked the video, please leave a like, as that would help us out a lot. And also guys, we would really appreciate it if you could follow us on Twitter. The link will be in the description of the video. Have a great day.